I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Fiat 500. What we do here, we go to music, your Apple iTunes, music, I'll just click on there, click on play, and then I'll just turn it down here, but you'll see there at the bottom, Uconnect. If I click on that speaker, you've got two choices, iPhone, Uconnect. The tick's next to Uconnect. That means that any music, any audio that plays through this phone will come through the speakers in the car. So we've got it set up right. Now what we have to do, we have to go to media. From any screen again, we go to media, and that's actually showing there. That's showing that it's going to play this. However, I'll just show you, it's already on Bluetooth. If it wasn't, it could be on USB there. Mine's no USB connected, so it's defaulting to Bluetooth. But if it wasn't showing the record here that it's going to play, and I will just turn this up, turn that up there. So that's it playing. If it wasn't, you would just need to click select source and then select whatever choice you have on here, or from whatever choice you have on here to Bluetooth. Now also, a lot of people say that they can't play Spotify. Now if I just go to Spotify, it's already been playing my Apple Music. If I can find Spotify, wherever it is, so Spotify there, that's coming on, different drum, Linda Ronstadt. Here we go, if I turn that up, I'm on Bluetooth. You see there, different drum. It plays Spotify. Whatever you want it to play, it plays. If we minimize that view, you'll see there at the bottom where it's playing, and you'll see the Bluetooth symbol there. And it says different drum playing through Uconnect. If it's not, if we click on that, it's showing AirPlay or Bluetooth there. If we click on AirPlay or Bluetooth, it's showing what it's playing through. That's playing through the system in this car. If you didn't want it to, you just click back to iPhone. So it plays Spotify as well.